Hi, what you're looking at is the assembled pan and tilt assembly, what I use to drive my webcams for our church services that are up front on light stands. And I wanted to show it to you all assembled because if you order these brackets, they don't come put together. But this would be my panning feature. They go a little bit more than 180 degrees. And then this, of course, is the tilting feature. So I'll bolt on the top of this. My Logitech C920 would be bolted up through this hole, and I'll secure it there. Probably should tell you this, at least for me, this will be fine. This is not an issue, but there's nothing there. You can see it. There's nothing in here that holds this, but this will be we'll secure it plenty fine. This is made of this is not plastic. The servos are made of plastic, the micro servos I should say, but this is made of aluminum. I like it. The braces that I bought are plastic. I got those on eBay. I had to buy a set of those to mount it to my mending brace. Let me show you my mending brace. This is called a mending brace. Got it from True Value Hardware. I have it marked for where I want to put my center hole. I'll run my light stand up through this once I have the hole drilled, and then bolt it, take a nut and bolt it, secure it on this way, and then I have this marked. I'll drill out these holes. This sets on this way. I'll drill out these holes and bolt these braces on to this bracket like that right there. So those will get bolted down. Now hold everything in place. On either this end or this end, it really doesn't matter. I will super glue my RJ45 jack with the plug facing out so that I can bring in my Cat 5 line. These get wired into the RJ45. I'll explain that in another video, how to wire all this stuff. But right now I'm just talking about how to build the assembly here for your pan and tilt. And so this is what it will take. I'll just slowly let you see what I have here. That's how I put it together. Bolted these onto this, of course. It's not rocket science, but it took me a little while to figure it out, and I thought if I showed you, it might help you to be able to see it. So, okay. Oh, I could show you the unassembled. This is what it looks like when it comes. It comes with 3 pieces. This holds the servo, gets bolted in like this, and so that's the piece that holds one of the servos. Then you have a servo that comes up to the bottom that I use, and then it comes with the hardware, the nuts and the bolts, that kind of thing. I should tell you before I show you all the shopping list that I ordered off of eBay. These were cheaper, and of course they came with hardware too. These plastic that you screw on that hold this. I ordered this. I would just caution you not to get this. These are plastic. The way this works is this got bolted onto my mending brace. That's how I did it on this one. I bolted on. I've already built one of these to make sure it works. I bolt this down, screw this down, and then I put in one of those. This got popped on. Everything was riding off of this. This set down in there, and so it tended to be just a little on the wobbly side. I didn't care for it. That's why I went with something different. I'd recommend that you go with the aluminum braces. Costs a little bit more, I think, but $1 or $2, but I think you'll be much happier with it. Let me take you to the shopping list. So let me go to my desktop here. This is my VMix, and there we go. There's the brackets. They're $6 a piece plus shipping. Of course, I got them from SparkFun. There'll be a link to this, right straight to this. You can get the servo motors from SparkFun. Actually, get almost everything you need right there from SparkFun. But the servo motors are $9 plus a piece plus shipping. The sub-micro size. I got a couple of those. Just to give you an idea. I think you can find these cheaper on eBay, but at least then you know what you need. This is the brackets that I showed you, that you can mount down. These are called the vertical brackets, I think. Yeah, vertical. They make horizontal as well, so that the servo would be on its side, laying on its side. Depends on how you lay yours out. And then I thought I would throw this in there. You can get it online from True Value. This is the braces, the mending plate that I used. So there it is. And there'll be some other videos. I'll show you how to put together the joystick part and make that box. There'll be what I call a power box that will run the cameras. You've got to order some of that stuff, but that will come in the following videos.